Here we are. Hello, Zach. How's it going?
Hello. Very well. How are you?
Very good. You're just starting out your weekend. I'm ending my Friday here. It's been a long one. It's twice in a day YouTube stream, so
Yeah.
that's a bit
Big
much,
days.
but I enjoy it. It's fine.
Repping your Mona Lisa shirt there today.
Sorry.
Mona Lisa shirt today.
Yes, Mona Lisa. Yeah, and I also tweeted a picture of me smiling to see who did it better. you know. Yeah.
Nice.
Uh, but it's been great communicating all the new Vortex stuff to the whole community in the download today. That was good. That was really well received. I got a bunch of messages saying, "Yeah, that's good, cool." And we also saw a bump in activity here, so that's really awesome. So I think what we should do is probably start off with some like what we did yesterday. Is start off with our numbers, and then by then we'll have maybe some newcomers on here. We'll tell them a little bit about the project, and then we can do what everyone's here for, which is the airdrop, right? Yeah. So
That's
so let
right.
me get my screen up here, and we can review the numbers since yesterday. Here we go. Let's zoom in a bit here. It's all yours. Take it away.
Beautiful. Yeah. So we can see there's been a steady growth in the mint percentage overnight, as well as the holders as well. I feel like I feel like I'm a weather expert here. Here you can see there's
Pointer.
the highs have increased. So that's been good. A good increase there. Continuing on our growth, which is awesome. Yet to see the common rare ultra epic stats, but we'll see those in a second. But welcome to the 60-ish new holders that joined us overnight. So if you're one of them, send a message in the chat so we can welcome you to the Vortex crew. And yeah, we'll continue to grow. So continue to keep sharing what you're buying and what you've got on your Twitter, and sharing the tweets that are put up by the Vitruvio account as well as Nick's personal account as well. And let's grow this thing.
Yeah, and for those who were here yesterday for the live picks 1 and 2, um, check your wallets. You would have received an NFT, and the easiest way you can check your wallet is to go to scope.vitruvio.xyz. So if you go there, then go to Vortex NFTs, you will see your NFT that was airdropped to you if you won, or if you have them, from before. So this is where you're going to see them. So please do go check, because now the cool thing is that if you were here and you won in the live pick yesterday, you're now part of the drawing today. So boom, that's
True.
like a double bonus, double triple bonus, if you will. Yeah, and if any of you here from yesterday who won, do let us know what you got, because it's blind mint, right? We don't know what was airdrop, so it'd be great to hear what you got. So
Absolutely.
yeah, we are. I'll just go ahead and kill the suspense. We are going to do those live picks again. It was just a lot of fun for me. I'm sure it was for the audience also. So we're going to do that. We'll do it twice. So that's 20 NFT NFT drops. So Ace
Now I
says,
see I see some. I was gonna say I see some people already trying to post their wallet address in, trying to get in early. It won't count until we say that you'll have to send through your wallet addresses, which you'll see. We've got a new system for that anyway. But when we tell you to send that through, then it will count. So sending it through now, it's not going to get you ahead of the game or anything like that. I like
yeah,
your
yeah,
keenness
please,
though.
yeah. Hold on for a bit, because these live picks, etc., are all extras. We deal with them after we've done the primary airdrop, which we can get to in just a moment. I see we have 109 people on the stream now, so I think it's a good time to kind of review again what the Vortex project is about, why we are doing it, etc. And Zach, you did such a great job yesterday. I think I'm gonna let you do the honors again.
Sounds like someone's done a bit too much live streaming today.
Yes.
Well, yeah. So Vortex is our newest project on Vitruvio, and this is an NFT that you can, as you can see here, this is launch.honcho.exchange. You can see that in the banner down in the bottom left for you as well. But this is where you can go and purchase these NFTs. Now, Vortex is there's a lot that's coming with Vortex, and we'll go through it a little bit more in a second. But this is meant to be a celebration of the fact that we've got USDC on our chain, which is a huge deal to have a stable coin, especially one of the biggest stable coins. To have them on our chain is a really big deal. So we're super excited about that. As you can see there's where it says bridge. You can click on that, which sends you to the bridge site, and you can bridge across from USDC on Polygon. And when you do that, you then get USDC.pol, which is just the version of USDC on Vitruvio, on Vitruvio in your wallet. And then you can go across to that launch.honcho.exchange page, and you can mint yourself some Vortex NFTs. Once you mint them, you don't know what tier you're getting until you go and have a look on where are we checking that again, Nick?
It's the Scope app. So it's scope.vitruvio.xyz.
Right.
Yeah, and you can go to Vortex NFTs in there, and you can look. But you can also look on chain on your address. You can see the transaction happen. So there's multiple ways in which you can do that. But a Scope is the easiest.
Yeah, and once you know your rarity, well, that is when you'll start looking for it. When it comes to the airdrops that we do every day, there's also we've got a land claim coming up soon. There's a lot of things that are coming alongside this. If you want to find out more information, you can see the project info where it says on that page there as well. You can click on that where it says Vortex, and there it will take you to our docs section, which has all of the details that you need. The max supply is 100,000 at this point. What did we say? We're at about 6,000 that have been minted, or 7,000 that have been minted. And
yeah,
we also have a creator challenge that will launch when we get to 10,000 that have been purchased. So we're almost there. We're 3/4 of the way to that point. There's a lot to go in this, but it's a very exciting project, and we're going to continue building it out. You're watching us build it every day. If you come on here, you'll see that we're adding new things to it every single day. So
yeah, and looks like we got some winners from yesterday coming in. So congrats to G Giant. And I think what we also want to talk about briefly, Zach, is what's coming up here in the next couple of days. So I think we'll highlight that. So far we've had 4 airdrops. This is our 5th day. Night for me, morning for Zach in a row. 21 more coming. And as Zach was saying, we have our first project sort of live event. These are all project-related live events, but this one is actually where there's action that you can take that happens on Sunday. So it's probably Monday in Asia, but Sunday in the US, 10:15 PST, late for East Coasters, but it's block number 3941595. And you can go to explore.vitruvio.xyz and look at the current block. But it'll be on vortexworld.xyz. And by tomorrow, we'll have the basic website up, but there won't be the land claiming ability until this time on Sunday. So there's a lot coming up. There's going to be swap ups. There's going to be fixtures reveals, assets reveals. We're going to get this on the Honcho marketplace. And we're going to also have a game rulebook published. But all of this, it happens over the next 21 days, culminating in a sort of a 3-day cooling period, and then the game play begins on July 1. So that's really exciting, and looking forward to that. But then right now, I think we have to get down to the business, the very, very important business of doing some airdrops. So let's do that right away. All right, so in my handy dandy sheet here, which you can follow by going to vitru.xyz/vortex-winners, you will see that there are 4 columns. Each column corresponds to the rarity of the Vortex tokens. We have common, rare, ultra, and epic. So we're going to pick 10 winners in each category here for each rarity. And the common winners will get 100 Vitru each. The rare winners will get 200 Vitru each. Ultra will get 300, and Epic 400. And as I've said before, our goal is to try and finish up those airdrops for this whole week tonight. It's getting a bit late here, so please forgive me if I do it in the morning. The first thing, it is kind of a lengthy, involved task because you're doing it manually. but we'll take care of it so that all of this is going to be in your wallets here ASAP. Now, as I mentioned, for the live picks that we did, the airdrop was already done. But this one, let's get going. So the way we do this every day is that we have this app here, and the app source code is available on GitHub. So you can go to github.com/Vitruvio/Vortex World, and you can find the source code for it. And what we do is we basically just run through all the available tokens in the different rarities, and then it randomly picks them. So I just reloaded my page to make sure it's all fresh and it's got the newest owners in there. So we've got 3,855 common, 1,501 rare, 897 ultra, and 545 epics. Now, if you spend a minute on the documentation, you will see that there are trigger points. Every 25,000 NFTs, the probability of you getting a rarer one like epic or ultra or rare drops. So right now is the highest probability period for you to be able to get one of the rare ones when you mint. So with that information out of the way, Garfield is talking about handy dandy, and he is absolutely right. That's where I'm getting. I have to. Sorry, I had to interrupt. That's where I'm getting it. That's the handy dandy Blue's Clues thing. Exactly right, Garfield. That's funny. All right, so getting back to business here. Let's hit pick winners for common. So good luck to all the common holders. Here we go. Bam, pick winners. Here we go.
I wonder how many people there are that bought in on day one and have not won yet. I wonder. If you haven't won yet, send a message in the chat and we'll be cheering you on, hoping that you manage to get a win today.
All right, let's see. We got the first set in here. We'll go get those in there. Bam, that's where they are. And hopefully someone won here. I want to see that. I'm not one yet. All right. Let's keep it going. It is going to be your day.
It's rare.
All right. So now let's go on to the next one. Rare it is. And everybody who's asking about should I post my address, do not post your address. There is no posting address tonight. There's a different system. We'll tell you about it in just a moment. But do not have to post your address in comments anywhere tonight. That was just our first day experiment. Now, as true entrepreneurs, we went back and we improved upon it, and we have a system. Yesterday it was all just seat of the pants kind of thing. Okay, rare. Let's go. Everyone's like, stop talking, Nick, and just hit the button. All right. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, we didn't get music, so I gotta provide the music here. All right, and that is it. We've got 10 winners for rare. I hope your address was one of them. Let's go. All right, so that's 10 winners got 100 Vitru each. 10 winners just got 200 Vitru each. And Gus says he was already ready with the address. Gus, hold that address. We're going to take it from you, but you don't have to put it in comments. So we'll get there very shortly. All right. So now let's go on to the next rarity tier, which is Ultra.
The Ultra.
And
Ultra tier. Here we go.
300 Vitru each. But first, a sip of chai. All right.
We haven't had that on our Vortex live airdrops, I don't believe.
Yeah, now we did. I just debuted it. All right, here we go. Pick winners. Woohoo!
So Teddy1 says that he's already won twice. So you might have to change the name to Teddy twice now instead of Teddy1, I think.
Teddy twice. And there we have it. Those are the Ultra winners. And
congrats.
Get them in there.
That's 300 Vitru each.
You guys, that is amazing. Um, all right. And Chris says, haven't got my victory from day one. As I just announced, I'm working on that. I just, it's been a long day. I'll get it done. I'll try and get it done before I go to bed, but it might be Saturday AM. I'll do my best to get it done tonight. All right. Okay. And now the last one, which is
Titch, congrats on the Ultra. Got a winner there
all
for the
right.
Ultra category. That's
Nice,
great.
Titch. Congrats to you on that. That's great. And Gus, I used the other mug in the morning. It's in the wash right now. I didn't feel like hand washing it. All right. So I need two. I need two. I'm doing two streams a day. So yeah. All right.
All right, let's get these epic
these already.
winners.
Is it what? Where am I? What? I'm confused.
We're up to epic now.
Okay. All right. We got to do epic now. So, all right. Good luck to epic people. You're all epic. Here we go. Bam.
So there's only about just over 500 people, 500 wallets that could win this one. And some may have already won 3 times. Not sure.
And
Garfield
bam.
claimed an epic. Oh no, he's saying he wants an epic. That's what he wants. Okay, well,
let's see. We'll
best of
find
luck,
out
Garfield.
in a second. He'll let us know if you got it or not. And that is it. The common, rare, ultra, and epic winners for day number 5, airdrop number 5 here. That's 40 more people. So that means so far there's been 200 winners. Garfield got it. Woohoo! All right.
Oh, there you go.
Wow. There you go. That's the way to do it.
There you go. If you want to win, that's all you have to say. Apparently, you got to write it in the chat.
Yeah, and the random algorithm just picks it. And
number 10, the very last.
Oh wow,
winner.
the very last one. That is epic. That is indeed epic. If any of other folks in the audience won, do let us know. That is great. So this is for existing token holders. So if you had a token, you're in. And actually, we just have 20 new token holders because we did this live pick giveaway yesterday, and we're going to do it again today. And let's get to it. So the way this works is we do it in 2 sets of 20 each. So what you have to do is you got to click on that link there. Or, well, you can't click on it, but you got to type it in. Bitrue.xyz. We'll put it in the chat there. Bitrue.xyz /airdrop-address. Right. You go to that and you will find yourself a form, or at least that's what the intent is. And yep, indeed. And it's going to say, what's your wallet address? Submit that. Zach is waiting and looking at the responses. I am also looking at the responses here. We will see those responses come in, and then we are going to put them in the running. So now we have a timestamp. We know exactly who's coming in first and second and third and so on and so forth. And we are putting your player addresses in here as they come in. And we'll wait for 20 to show up there. We've got only 3 so far. What is going on, people? Let's get those addresses in if you want to play. Not in the comments. You got to go to the link at the top of my screen, bitrue.xyz /airdrop address. That's where you want to be. All right. So let's see if I can.
There you go. I've just posted in the chat there.
All right.
Oh, it says it's failed to post. Actually, you might need to give it a go. I was just trying to. This is the first time I've tried to post a comment. So
there you go.
Oh, yeah, there yours worked. Perfect.
bitrue.xyz / all right. We are close to 20 here. We got 17 in. And you can keep them coming because we're going to do a round 2. So we'll pick 20 now and then 20 for round 2. So now we are at, wow, we're going on and on here. We've got a lot of addresses. So Zach, let's get the first 20 in here. And I got to reset my game counter to 0. And we'll wait for...
all right.
Yeah. So Zach, you can just go to 21 because row 1 is the header.
Yeah.
So
yeah, I've put some numbers down to help me anyway.
In there. Great. Okay, we are waiting now patiently for the ceremonial transfer of addresses to the live play. Here we go, and they are coming in the order we received them. All right. So Zach, you can probably just drag highlight all of them and paste them. There you go.
That's what I've
We
done.
got one more, right? Bam. All right. So we got 20 players. It's time for action. I'm gonna convert to my favorite address font, which is Roboto Mono, so it looks cool, and you can see your address there. Okay, so the way this works is I change the game value here, and it picks a winning number. It only counts, the winner number only counts when I change the game number, because it will be updating as we update the spreadsheet. That doesn't count. All right. Good luck to everyone. Let's go with game number 1 for winner number 1. I put in 1 and I hit enter, and we have number 16. There we go, number 16. Let's copy that and get that in here. Congratulations to you. You're going to be airdropped Vortex NFT. If you're in here in the audience, well, I guess you would be in the audience. How else would you get it there? And actually, for those who watch the recording, that is important. This is a live thing, and the recording won't have that capability. So please don't fill that form out later, because it won't count. All right, so that is one done. Congrats, and let's see who that was. Speak up in the comments if it was you. We'd love to recognize you. But meanwhile, first was me. All right. Were you a winner, or were you the person whose address was in? It's ambiguous, Zane. So I'm guessing it was the person who put it in the form. All right. Game 2. Are you ready, Zach?
Making sure there were no duplicates.
Oh, Zane says he was the winner. All right. That is cool. Congratulations. That's great. And look at that. iFlyAirbus picked up 600 Vitrus tonight. That's great. All right. Game number 2. Ready to go? And
ready
you picked 12. Row 12. Here you are. 0xB0F8. And that was game 2. Congrats to you. And let's go with game 3. Bam. And what do we have? We have number 11. All right. And let's put that in there. All right. Anyone else win yet? Would love to see if you won. Oh yeah, thank you for doing that, so I don't duplicate.
That's right.
All right, number 4. Here we go. That is winner number 2, address number 2. And there you are, 6697. Awesome. And let's do game number 5. Here we go. That's 12 again. Woohoo! So we'll skip that one and we'll do it again. Now it's number 3. All right.
Beautiful.
Wonderful. All right. That was 5 games down.
I think Teddy 1 was number 3, I believe.
All right, Teddy. Congratulations. That's great. So let's put your name up here. Woohoo! Well done. Number 6. Game number 6 coming up. And that is 11. And I believe that's done. So we have to go again. 6 spin
we got some
again.
lucky people here.
18. All right.
That one's safe.
There we go. That was 6. And then game number 7. Let's go. We got 5, which we have not used. Great. 50% chance of winning here in this game if your address is there. All right. So we got 3 more to go. Game number 8. 12 again. Oh my God. 12 is on a great streak here. Sorry, no duplicates allowed. Let's go again. 2 is also picked again. So we got to go again. 6. 6 was not picked. So that's good. We'll go with 6. Yeah, it's harder and harder for it to find unique ones as more and more are taken up. All right, now game number 9. Who do we have? Not 12 again. I think that's
times.
4 wins for 12, and I feel like doing what I did yesterday. I think I'm going to do it. All right. So that was a lot of wins. So 12, whoever you are, you're just so lucky. I'm going to put you in here as number 11. All right. We'll get you. I mean, that you can't. That is crazy. It's like 4 or 5 wins. So
yeah, what is that? It's a 5% chance every time, isn't it? So
yeah, and 8 is not done. So that's great. Here's 8. Won that, and then we are going to pick the last winner. Final one for this one, game number 10. Here we go. What do we have? 16 was done already. So we pick again. And we have 13, not yet picked. So congrats, number 13.
There we go.
All right. And you know what? I want to do something different tonight. I want to live airdrop these out to people. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. Give me a second. I'll get to it here. Let's see. I don't want to do it there. Let me go find the place where I got to do it. Okay, give me a moment, folks.
No worries. While you're doing that, we had 77 entries into the like they put in their wallet address just now into that Google form. So unfortunately, 37 of you are going to miss out because we are only doing 2 live picks. So 40 people are in for the running for this time. But it means that next time, have your wallet address ready because there's every chance that we do it again. And if we do, that's how you got to get in early to be able to get that.
Yep. All right. So here's what we're going to do, folks. We're going to take a brief timeout here where these 11 folks are going to be airdropped. They are winning token. And my condition for doing this live is that in the comments, you must post what you got. All right. So 1 and done. And 2, let's get that done.
This is the man at work here, everybody.
Yeah. I need to automate this, but I just haven't had the time. So let's go.
Rumor, you said, urgent attention, please. I posted the address on that address page twice. As soon as I hit submit, the wallet address changes to a different address. I'm not sure, Rumor. That's interesting. Unless it's an autocorrect.
Where is this happening?
You can see it in the chat, the 4th last comment now.
All right, let me finish. I have that covered up right now because I'm focused on my important task of airdropping NFTs.
For those people who there's a couple people in here saying that they didn't receive their NFT that they won yesterday. If that's the case, just write it in the comments as you have. We'll have a look through it and we'll check. But or open a ticket in the Vitruvio Discord and we can look into that as well.
I will go and verify that everyone got their. I didn't see a failed transaction, so that's a bit odd. I'm presuming people are looking in scope.
It's also worth searching your wallet address on the Explorer and seeing if you can see any transactions that have taken place, any token transfers.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how to pronounce the name. Nitin. Yeah, sorry, but at this point just 20 addresses. Maybe as this continues to grow, if more people keep joining us, we might have to increase that. And maybe we do make it 50 addresses and we draw 10 from there. We'll see. We'll see how we go.
Yeah, almost done with these guys. And you should be checking your scope and it should be showing up for you. And there we go. Finish the last one. And actually we can go here and oh, look, this one failed. So maybe that's what happened. A couple of these might have failed for some reason. And that might have happened yesterday also. So I'll need to go and audit and make sure that there were no failed transactions. I actually did not do that. I just assumed that they all went through. But looks like there were successes here, but a couple failed. I don't know why that is. Maybe we can investigate in real time here and do some troubleshooting along with airdropping here also. So looks like we have 1, 2, 3. We have see, there was 11 airdrops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So where are the other 2? That's interesting. Anyway, this looks like they failed. So let's find out what address that was and give them a do-over. So this one failed. So we'll do it again. There we go. That's done. And let's see what else.
I know in the chat we've had a few people saying that they haven't received their Vitru airdrops yet from this, and that's okay. Most people have not. That's all going to be done
because 0 of those have been sent yet.
0 have been sent. There you
go. Yes, that is happening, as I've mentioned about multiple times now. This is something I'll be taking care of after this session, and it might run into tomorrow morning also.
To add to that as well, I believe the Sochai airdrop was sent out, and I know that some of the Honcho airdrops may have been sent, but I think some of those are still going through. And then what's the other one? Flipia will also go out straight after this. So if you won those yesterday, you'll get those very shortly too. As you know, 24 hours. There's a lot to be done every 24-hour period for us.
Yeah.
And so we trying to add in these airdrops every day as well as the live stream.
All right. So all the broken ones are done again, and so all the 10 winners who won just now are good to go, unless one of them failed again. Looks like one of them one of them might have failed again. But I will audit everyone and make sure that everyone gets their tokens. So if you were one of these 10 winners tonight, congrats. Hopefully you got a rare. Ooh, Interstellar got a rare from today's. Oops, Dave got a common.
Mario also got a rare.
Let's see, Mario got a common. Congrats to all of you. Let's see. Rama says he had 2 failed mints today, so maybe those were to you. And okay, we'll get that taken care of, Rama. So I apologize for that. I'm not sure why that happened, but that's great. So congrats to all the winners.
Beautiful. All right, should we do our second live pick bunch, shall we, Nick?
Sorry?
Are we doing a second live batch today? Or is this the one today?
I don't think we should do it.
Just one today?
I think that's enough, right? Don't you think? We got to
stop good, yeah. Here? And then maybe next time we'll look at doing maybe the top 50 people all get put into that sheet and 10 winners come from that.
Rohan got an ultra. Way to go, Rohan. That's great. PGX got an ultra. I'm just kidding, guys. We are going to do live pick 2. We are all poised and ready. Look, Zach's got all the addresses already in here. And how many did you say? There were 70 of them today?
There. Yeah, 79.
Wow. All right. Cool. Well, I don't know about you, but I feel like we should do 3.
3? Okay.
You know, so let's, I don't know. Is there anyone in the audience here who objects to us picking 10 more winners of Vortex NFT airdrops today? If you are there, let us know. I don't think anyone's gonna say that. So let's do this, Zach. I think it's fun. It's the weekend, It's the weekend, so we got to do this. So let's
TGIF, right?
TGIF. Let's wipe this out and go reset to game 0. So I just enjoy doing this. So, but I won't do the live. I won't do the drop live because it just takes too long and people are just waiting. And so it's better to do that offline in case. And then no, guys, there's no reason. No, you don't need to submit. We got 73 addresses, so we will have the first 60 in the pools here. So so this is great. All right, everyone, we are going to do 3. So this is live pick 2. Out of 20 folks, we are going to choose 10 who will get a random Vortex NFT, and that means they will get um, a portion of the streaming revenue share that's coming up from our Vitru Stream product. They will also be eligible to play in the Vortex World game, but more importantly, they are eligible for tomorrow's airdrop, and they could be one of the winners of 100, 200, 300, or 400 Vitrus. So Zain, you don't need to post any addresses here. Oh, unless Zach, you asked him to post one about that, then it's fine. Is it possible to win twice airdrop Vortex? No, because we are selecting from a submitted form entry here. What is this address number 11? Why is it funky like that? That's weird. All right, there we go. Let's fix it.
There was space, yeah.
Yeah. All right. So first it's a sip of chai, and then let's go on live pick number 2.
Let's do it.
All right. So A says remove number 2. It's mine. So if you want to swap it with number 61 or something like that, Zach.
Yep, can do.
Thank you, A. I appreciate that. That's really nice of you.
All right. That's something we'll have to make sure there's no duplicates when we do that.
I am sufficiently fortified with chai, and I am ready to click some buttons here. All right, live pick 2. Good luck to 20 people here. Let's begin. First, I need to update this one here. And let's say game 1. Here we go. Game 1. First winner is 8. Let's get that winner up there. Congrats to you. Game number 2. Let's go again. Number 4. The earlier ones are easier because there are more available players, but then we start running the duplicates probably around halfway through because it gets to be slim pickings then. All right, number 3 is 8 again. All right, let's try that one again. We got 13. Lucky number 13. Bam. Right. We are on game number 4.
Nick, if you're picking a number between 1 and 20 that you would like choose your lucky number, what would you choose?
Oh, that's a good one. I think I'll choose 7.
7.
Yeah. What will you choose?
I think I'd choose 10. That was my basketball 10? Number as a kid.
That's a very famous number in soccer, yeah, football. So that's Pele's number, and then everyone else who's an awesome player always wears a 10, like 23 in basketball, you know. Here we go. All right, so we've got how many games done here? 4 done. Sorry, I can't talk and think at the same time. Game number 5. Here we go. We pick 4. 4 is done. So we do 5 again. We got 15 this time. Congrats to number 15. And you are in there. Let's go with game number 6. We got 8 again. 8 is turning out to be like the 12 from last time. We got 10. All right. Winner number 10. All right. Game 7. Here we go. Repeat. Let's do it again. 11. 11? Yep, it's available. All right. 11 it is. All right. And now we are on to game number 8. We got 15, which is done again. And again. Oh, you know what? It actually was because I didn't change that. 13's been done. So 4's been done. It's getting really tough here, guys. 13's been done again. Oh, come on. Let's get okay. Here we go. 11. Finally, we got.
I think someone said 11's too short. That's just the formatting, I believe. Nick has this format that he changes to, but
I didn't. Let me just do that. I'll put everything.
There we go.
Yeah,
I fixed it there.
Okay, and now number 9, 10 again. No.
Now 7 and 8, Nick, you've got the same
Yeah,
one there. I don't.
did I mess that up? I'm sorry. Let me try again. Or am I being unfair? Did I pick a different one and paste the wrong one for number 8? Could I have done that?
I'm not sure. Write in the comments if you saw what happened there, because I missed it. We could go back and look at it on the live stream later.
Well, here, yeah. Sorry about that. Sorry if I messed up, but if you were eligible for one, we had called you. We would do it again. All right, so let's get rid of 8 here, and
17 was picked apparently, according to Milky.
17 was picked. Okay, so thank you for being alert and telling us that.
May well be Milky's number, but there you go.
Yes.
That's all right. We'll trust him.
Oh, that would be funny. But that's a great hack, you know. All right, so let's try game number 9 here. We got a repeat. So what I got to do is I basically got to put some random text in here into the cell to trigger. Okay, so I'm just putting a comma there. 6 open. Here we go. Hey, that's a nice address there with all those zeros and nines and fours. 0, 1 after. That's a nice address there. All right, and now it's time for game number 10.
We did have winner number 1 and winner number 5 is the same address as well. So number 8 and number 16 were the same. 8 and number 15. So we might need to add in another one, Nick.
Okay,
add in an extra winner.
Okay, let's do number 10. So we got 4. That's taken up. Let's try another one. 14.
Good
14 is good pickup. You're saying I need to pick one more for game 5?
One more to put in. Yep, that's right.
All right.
We might have to get a wheel spin.
19
for tomorrow, I think.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's randomization the same way, so we would hit the same limits. All right, there you have it.
There we go.
Presenting the winners of Live Pick 2. Congratulations to all of you. This is great. All right, so that is 20 Vortex NFTs airdropped to random users today. Thank you for participating in our live airdrop. This is a thank you. These live picks are basically a thank you for coming and spending time with us. We really appreciate it. And so today we're going to go ahead and do a third one. And I'm sure Zach, being on top of his game, has already picked these. We should probably sanitize them for duplicates. Yeah.
Yes, do that.
Well, here we got a space here. I want to preserve the order, so I won't do it right here. What I'll do is I'll just quickly throw up a new tab, put them in there, data, sort range, sort, and then data, clean up, remove duplicates. We had one duplicate.
There we go.
I have no idea what that was, but we can go eyeball it and find out. So let's do that. I'll delete that and get rid of it. All right. So which one's the duplicate here?
Eyeballing it is a difficult proposition.
Well, this is the crowd can help us here. If you see a duplicate, say something. If you see something, say something. Yeah, there is one duplicate here. Where is it? I mean,
you can just copy and paste. It doesn't need to keep the order. We can change the order up.
Yeah, it is random, right?
So 4 and 10. Somebody said. Yes, 4 and 10 is right. There you go. I'll add another one in.
10. All right. Thank you for that. Appreciate it.
61st person. Now let's just make sure this person. Hold on. Make sure this one isn't in there already. No, they're not in there already. So that's good.
All right, great. So we'll format them again, and we're doing this real ghetto style. Okay, we are kind of doing it on the fly, informally. But hey, look, the results are you get an NFT, right?
That's
what what counts. So and I did commit that we are doing everything Vortex in the open on, as a community project. So this is part of it. We are doing it in the open. It's not all perfect and all that behind the scenes and come and present you some sanitized version. We are doing this on the fly. All right.
That's true.
So 20 players it is. Let's go. Game number 1. We have lucky number 13. So congrats to you. 2778. All right. And we're going on to the next game here. That is lucky number 5. Congratulations to you also. That is great. Game number 3. What do we have? 4. 4. All right. And there we go. All right. And now we go to game 4. 19. I feel like I'm Vanna White. Like here I'm just flipping the letters over. All right. 5. 5 was picked already. Okay, so we got to go one more. 4 was picked already. All right, we got to go one more. Oops, wait. Still on that one. Let's do one more. 14. Okay, we got a unique one. All right. And now game number 6. We got 16. I like it when it's not a duplicate. It makes my job easy. And 4 more slots, guys. 4 more slots.
4 more winners.
4
There's been
more
so many winners
winners.
today already. 40, what's that? 40, 50, 60. We're up to 66 winners in different sorts
11.
today.
Congratulations to you. And let's go to game number 8. We have 10. Ooh, this is nice. I don't have to repeat things. All right, 2 more to go. Game number 9. 18. Also unique. Very good. Very, very good. And da-da-dun, the last winner for tonight. Who shall it be? Game number 10. It is 11. Done. Again. Try again. 6 is not done. Congratulations to you. There we go. And
Beautiful.
that is
There's
it.
our winners.
That is a lot of winners here, guys. So that's live pick 1, live pick 2, and live pick 3. Congratulations to all 30 of you. And I hope you love our new innovation, which involved a Google form versus you posting your address in the chat. So, it's innovation every day. Let's see.
Interestingly, if you're interested in stats, number 1, 7, 9, and 20 did not win in any of those 3 live picks. So there you go. You didn't want to be the first person to hit your wallet address in, apparently.
Well, you can't
Didn't
control
work
it.
out
You
well.
just hit submit on the form, and you have no idea where it's going. So this is great. Congratulations, and Christoph, really happy for you. This is great. Let's see who else. Laura says, welcome. Hello, Laura. Welcome. We are glad you're here, and we are happy to be friends with you. This is amazing. All right. Let's see. We got any more winners here? Come on. So Zayn was the first winner, and he didn't get his thing. So we'll figure that out. I need to figure out why those airdrops failed, because they're pretty straightforward. I actually have an idea why. What happens is that there's a random number algorithm on chain, and if you don't provide enough gas, it fails. So I was providing standard gas for those transactions. I need to remember to go up the gas a little bit, and then it'll be fine. So anyway, all right. So this was very, very good. It was a lot of fun. We are on track to launch our land claim in what is it? 48 hours from now, right? Yeah, it's 48 hours from now. I am going to work on some of those pending airdrops for everybody. And like I said, I might not finish it up today, but I will definitely get it done tomorrow. I'll start today. I have a very early day tomorrow again because my daughter's doing her is it SAT or ACT? ACT exam. And I got to drive her to the exam venue and then wait there until she's done and come back. So I got a busy morning. And I saw Mike in the audience here. Mike, hi. We'll be chatting tomorrow. I'm looking forward to that. Um, and Rohan had a momentous occasion. He had a big party in his home yesterday because he won for the first time in history yesterday. And yeah, he won again today. So it's history is repeating. Now you got to go for the trifecta, man. Like so tomorrow. Let's see if that happens. Yeah.
True. Now, a question there from Tate is a good one.
Yeah.
How do you answer that, Nick?
Yeah, so I'm working on the UI for that, but think of it like a shopping cart. You're gonna go through the UI and you're gonna just choose the plots and the terrain associated with it. And when you choose it, it starts a little timer and it'll hold that for you. I don't know what the exact time is going to be, probably for around a couple of minutes or so. And you do all that, and then you go hit sign, and it takes all the ones you've selected and it applies them unless someone has claimed one in the meantime. If you exceed the timer, it's like an airline ticket or something, right? They hold it to you for a little bit, but maybe your time elapsed and then someone else swooped in and took it, in which case your transaction would fail. So it will be in bulk. Yeah, you will not be doing like hundreds of individual transactions. That would be highly inefficient and not very good user experience. So we'll avoid that. We'll make it just like a shopping cart experience. So that's kind of where we are. All right. So I think that's it. I will go about doing more airdrop business. Thanks to everyone, all 267 of you who are here. I appreciate it. I hope some of you got to win here tonight. We are very, very excited about this project. I think the Vitru Studio and the Vitru Stream, Vitru Store, Vitru Search is an element of taking something that's already there and refining it, innovating upon it and making it better. And those of you who attended the download today probably saw that we've made a lot of refinements here, a lot of improvements in search. We've put moderation in place, etc. And things are going really, really well on that front. So that's targeting those creators. But Vortex is a whole different story. With Vortex, we are targeting the gamers and the gaming industry and the game developers and the game designers and also the creators in there. And of course, our investors. We want you to have a little bit of fun. And so this is exciting because we are building it on the fly. We are not giving you a packaged game and saying, here it is. We are kind of taking your input along the way and building this out. So that's really exciting, I think. And we are very close to 7,000. I hope that we wake up tomorrow and we see 7,000 here. My goal, as I mentioned a couple times in here, is to have a steady growth on these numbers here, and go for approximately a 15%, give or take a couple of points, daily growth. So that's kind of where we are targeting it. And I feel like the land claim is going to be a big trigger there because it is scarcity. And if you are just learning about the project and want to get in, the next 48 hours is the best time to get in, because you'll be able to, first of all, get most of the rarer levels, and two, you can participate right away in the land claim and maybe get some of the prime real estate, because it's gonna go fairly soon. All right, Zain, I can't show you a demo yet because we are building this on the fly, man. It's literally, there is no giant team here. There's right now it's it's myself with a little bit of help from a graphic designer. That's basically it. So yeah, so Ctich says, it looks like the newly blocked art is causing the application error we talked about on download. I see the scope error where people are saying that some of their Vitru Suite NFTs are not showing up here. I will. That's a good point. I need to go and put some code in there to defend against that. Thank you for that catch. I will fix that and deploy a patch right away, and it will take care of that. And we echo what Gus says. Excited for everybody that won. Thank you and welcome to the Vortex ecosystem. And Bass says, "Well, Nick, that is Sunday evening for you for the land pick." Yes, it is. So I have 48 hours to create this, and it will be done. So it's really exciting. So anyway, that's where we are. It's about an hour in here. We are 4 minutes short, but that's cool. Zach, go enjoy your Saturday. What do you got planned?
Not much. Just hanging out with the family, I think, today, and that'll be about it. Yeah, and then back on you tomorrow.
All right, cool. Okay, so there we are, folks. Thanks everyone for attending today. And once again, I just have to leave you with the landing page here. Let's see what the price is right now. It's 10.6812. Remember, the price goes up with each NFT that's minted. So it's got a ceiling of 20, but it continues to go up. So that's it. Thanks everyone for showing up. We're gonna wrap this up here and see you again tomorrow. Same time, same place. Bye-bye.
Sounds good. See you then.